Standard Jobs Search Functions. Let's take a closer look at the built-in search function found on the Standard Jobs page. To open this function, click on Search, found in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Please note that the search function is not always open in the default setting. To always have this option available, simply click on the thumbtack to pin it open. Within the search function, you can set a variety of search parameters. You can search by job reference or document name, as well as the project reference. Searching by assignment type will allow you to search for specific types of jobs. These include assigned, not assigned, job openings, crowd jobs, or those jobs not assigned to a specific supplier within your company. If you're looking for jobs from a specific supplier, you can search for their name here. In addition to the search parameters, you can also set filtrations, such as deadlines or tasks. It is also possible to filter your search by source or target language. There are a lot more than just these 4 filters available. By using the drop-down menu, you can adjust which filtration you wish to set. Let's search for jobs assigned to a specific supplier. You can search by first name, last name, or a combination of both. This is useful for managers when they need to search for jobs assigned to themselves. A simple search without any filtrations will pull up all the jobs assigned to this supplier regardless of their status. The Wordbee system allows you to save your searches in the Standard Jobs page. This is helpful if you frequently use the same search parameters. You can name them and even set them as your default. To save these parameters as your default setting, click the box next to Make Search My Default upon login and click OK. Click Reset to clear all search and filtration settings and return to the original overview. If you have multiple saved searches and would like to use one, simply click on My Searches and choose the desired saved search. The system will automatically refresh the page to those specifications. You can save as many different search parameters as you deem necessary.